Allied and Flex, so we've started working together back in 2017.
Yeah.
And when we started selling the machines here and realizing most of our customers are doing hole making, I mean, you set the standard in hole making, obviously.
I appreciate you saying that.
Oh yeah, so 2017 is when we started our relationship.
Absolutely. So Flex has been a great partner for us because really, one, we enjoy working with you guys. You've been very open to us, very excited to work with us, welcomed us into the home every time we come in. But really, when you guys make a great machine, our tools perform well on them.
Yeah.
So this has been something we've really enjoyed doing. In the past, we've done promotions with tooling certificates for you guys, where we just put large number tooling certificates on a machine when it's sold, and really got that in the door in some places that opened up a lot of pathways for us. And it's been great for us to be able to be involved in that.
Yeah, no, I agree. It's been a great relationship, good partnership. When you machine a part, you need a machine and you need a tool. So, and these guys make the best drill in the market. And hole making is the fastest metal removal rate possible, right? Using a drill.
Absolutely.
Okay.